This week I am testing the Chery Omoda 5. It's a very affordable 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by InfaSecure. In the back of the Chery Omoda 5 there are ISOFIX in the two outer rear seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three rear seats, and they're easy to access and connect to through the boot. Now I could fit 3 InfaSecure child seats in the back here really nicely. We've got the Achieve More, the versatile folding booster seat and the Adapt More capsule behind the driver, and they fit in the back here really nicely. Now we found with the Adapt More capsule behind the driver, about a 180cm driver can fit in front, or with forward-facing child seats, 186cm driver plus. That's a surprising amount of legroom. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the links here. Storage is good in the back of the Chery Omoda 5. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold an iPad, and the door bins are a good size back here. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's the storage handles too. Storage in the front of the Omoda 5 is good too. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. Behind them, the central console box is a really good size, and it doubles as a fridge. There's a little vent in there you can turn, blows cold air in there and keeps things nice and cool, which is handy. You've got a double phone charging deck in front of the gears, and it's a central console bridge, so there's storage and the underneath too. I could fit an iPad there easily, and you've got charging sockets there too. The glove box is a good size, that will hold my wallet and iPad with the manual, and the door bins are a good size in the front here too. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, an iPad and a wallet, and there's the little storage handle wells too. This model of Chery Omoda 5 has heated front seats, which is nice for keeping the front passengers nice and comfortable. And in the back there are rear aircon vents, which is fantastic for keeping little passengers in the back nice and comfortable while we're driving along. The media system in the Chery Omoda 5 is really nice and simple and easy to use. It does have Apple CarPlay, which is fantastic for accessing the apps on your phone while you're driving. Also, you've got 360-degree cameras in here, so you can do it pressing that button or when you put it into reverse. You've got 3D cameras here, which are fantastic for parking, especially when there's little kids around, so you can see beside you. You've got the front view camera and the rear view camera and your normal cameras too. The boot door of the Omoda 5 opens nice and easily with a single touch button and closes that way too, and it's nice and quiet. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot.
Empty, it will hold 11 shopping bags, or a twin pram fits with no shopping bags. A double pram fits with 1 shopping bag. A single pram fits with 2 shopping bags, or a compact stroller fits with 6 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog.
The Chery Omoda 5 is a great little car to drive, and it's excellent value for the money. The only thing that's annoying is there is warnings that come up in the driver display here constantly, and you have to turn them off every single trip, which is a little bit frustrating. But in terms of visibility, it's really good, apart from this rear view mirror, which is a little bit tunnel visioned. But the side mirrors are great and the rear view cameras are fantastic. It's really nice for parking, school and supermarket car parks, being quite small, and it feels really solid on the road. So to sum up with the Chery Omoda 5, it makes a very good and affordable family car. You can fit those 3 InfaSecure child seats across the back nicely, and a twin pram in the boot. Now the drive is really good. However, if I could just get those warnings turned off permanently, then I would be very happy. And the media system is good. It has Apple CarPlay and the cameras are fantastic.